Hey guys, it's Matt from MatterHackers, and I want to let you know that our annual Blue Friday sale is tomorrow, November 22nd, and the deals start at midnight Eastern Time. We're talking thousands of discounts across our entire library of 3D printers and digital fabrication products, including machines, materials, and accessories galore. We've kicked off the sale this year with some daily deals being unlocked early. Already, the Stick 3D printer bed adhesive, Pro Series Tough PLA, and the BCN 3D Sigma and Sigmax 3D printers are all on sale with major discounts. Today's unlock deal is an industry and personal favorite, up to 40% off all E3D products. That's right, from renowned hot ends like the V6 and Titan Aero to the high temperature Nozzle X, you can save big on all E3D products through midnight Pacific Time, November 22nd. The best part about the sale is that you're protected with the MatterHackers Best Price Guarantee. You can shop with confidence all season long, knowing that MatterHackers has your back in the event that you find a better price on the same product elsewhere. To learn more about our Best Price Guarantee, check out the links below. Be sure to use the code BLUEFRY at checkout to activate all of your Blue Friday discounts. Thanks for watching, and have a happy Blue Friday.